So here we are, deep inside the Amiga 500. Excuse me while I reach across to apply the power. And as you see, the drive activity light, which is encased in the rubber band, is quickly doing things. And just like that, the machine is up. So I don't know how long that took, but it wasn't long. And if we look over here, there is just the mono output signal to a 1702 monitor. And it is mighty, like I can see everything, quite lovely. So we're going back into the Amiga 500, where the hard drive remains, wrapped in bubble wrap, paper by rubber band. Who would have thought? And it's funny, when I first got this machine, I remember turning on and saying, hey, there's a hard drive in there. And I could see, because it was dark, a little LED flashing. I had no idea the setup was as it is. No clue. So, and I hear it. Do I hear the drive? Yeah, I hear the drive. I tested the floppy drive, it seems fine. Okay, so we're going to take the keyboard off and see what's what. Stay tuned.